Step into a world where every hallway echoes with laughter and every classroom is a universe of discovery. Here, school isn't just about lessons. It's a grand adventure where joy and knowledge grow hand in hand. Imagine walking into a room splashed with color, walls covered in vibrant maps, and amazing student art. Bookshelves are treasure chests, waiting to be opened, each one holding a new world, a new idea. Curiosity is a compass that guides every student. In these classrooms, learning is alive. Our teachers are more like friendly guides, encouraging every question, no matter how small, and celebrating every spark of creativity. You can see the light in a student's eyes as they finally solve a tricky math problem, the proud smile when they share a new story they've written, or the high-five exchange when a friend helps them understand something new. Learning isn't a chore. It's an exciting quest for answers. But the magic doesn't stop when the bell rings for a break. The playground buzzes with energy, with friends sharing secrets, inventing new games, and building bonds that last a lifetime. This is where joy truly shines, in the shared moments, the easy laughter, and the simple act of being together. Every day brings a new reason to smile, a new challenge to conquer, and a new friend to make. As the day winds down, there's a quiet understanding that settles over everyone. School is so much more than a building. It's a special place where our minds expand and our hearts are filled. It's where we learn about the world, and just as importantly, about ourselves. We discover our strengths, build confidence, and realize that we are part of a community that cheers us on. Here, learning is a joy, and joy is the greatest lesson of all. This is where bright futures begin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting stories.